Well, how long does it take to monetize a small YouTube channel? What's the editing tip I learned this week? And what is the YouTube business tip of the week that I have to pass along? That's what this series is all about. And this is episode number 8. I hope that these are helping you. I find great benefit in being able to think it through and figure out, now, what exactly did I learn? And was it good enough to pass along? All right, let's take a look at the stats this week. Let me clear this off to the side and let's pull up the YouTube dashboard and get my face out of the way here. Then grab a pencil and let's talk. So far, right now I've got 451 subs. The views in the last 28 days, you see here, is 8.5 up from 7.8. And then watch time hours, 150.6 up from 148.2. So these are all good increases. Let's take a look at the earnings for the 365 days for monetization. And we click the $ and scroll down. And you can see here now we are looking at 1474 for public watch hours, which is again down from 1508. And like we've been talking about, that is a byproduct of what falls off from day 366. So it's a rolling 365-day measurement. So let's go ahead and key the rest of these in. So 451, very nice to see that constant ongoing improvement there. 8.5, again, nice steady upward motion. Let's see, that's supposed to be 8.5K to make that look right. And then 150.6. So overall, another steady increase. Haven't had a tremendous outlier yet, but excited to see some basic good movement. Now let's take a look at what I learned this week for editing. Now, maybe I should say it's not that I learned it this week as much as it's something that I have become more and more aware of. It's kind of a big deal for me, and it saves a lot of time. And so I'm going to show you here inside my CapCut, as soon as it pops open here. What I try to do is import right here, and then I go into my YouTube folder, and I have this, like I've got backgrounds right here, and I use the same ones. I have a folder where I collect my backgrounds, and then I have another folder here. See this one? This is a free YouTube subscribe button. So I don't have to create it every time. I use that subscribe button. And then let's see, here's a bunch of sounds that I have in the same folder. And so what happens then, in order to save a lot of time, is that I will go to the import button in CapCut, and then I'll come out and I'll grab the same sounds, I'll grab the same subscribe button, the same backgrounds, everything that I need. Like this one is a favorite of mine, and so is this pop right here. And so I hit open, and it dumps them out there for me. And like I said, let me go backwards to the stuff I was telling you about. I like this button right here for subscribing. You can see how it works if I pull it down here on the line. See how it shows up there? You can change the size of it. Pretty cool. Move it around. So I just use the same ones over and over again, and it just saves time. I had fun playing with this one. Get that branch to come down, and then get it to go back up again and come down again. Let's see, all the way down it falls, and then I got it bouncing back up into place. I was really having fun with this one. So this is my editing tip, is to be consistent with your sounds and your backgrounds and your subscribe buttons, just the stuff that you use all the time, so that you don't have to go back and create the wheel every time for every video. And then my YouTube tip for the week, and let me go back to my YouTube stats and show you why this is an important, cool lesson here. Okay, so these numbers, you'll notice, let me pop it up here, how this, I started to get some good jumps in here. See how I went up to 7.8, 8.5? Well, right in here is when I started adding a short each week. So the shorts are getting, 500 plus views each, which isn't huge, but it seems to be lifting the whole ship. So I've gone from putting up a video about chainsaw art on Thursday, and then this one up on Sunday, and now I've added one either on Friday or Saturday. I put in a short, and it seems like for my channel that is a catalyst that kind of helps to lift, rising tide lifts all boats kinds of thing. And I've heard other people say something similar, that if they put too many or they don't put enough, there's just something about the people who are watching what you do, that like following what you do, that have a pattern of behavior that if you give them what they want, they'll watch more of it. It just kind of makes sense. So we'll see. I'm going to keep doing this for a number of weeks, and we'll see if all of this and all of this continues to climb. So I hope these are helpful to you, and I'm going to put here in the corner somewhere the playlist for the rest of this series, and hope that there's something in it that you can learn that will help you grow your small YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.